Google search WordPress API reference. We will work on the posts API most of the time. Open the following URL in the browser. The API works on any WordPress website. It shows the unformatted JSON data. We need to make JSON data easy to read. Google search JSON formatter Chrome extension. Reload the page. Next, we fetch the JSON data into our React application. First, we need to install Axios package. It's similar to JavaScript fetch API, but much better. Type command npm i Axios to install the package. Import Axios into main content component. Type the following code to create API URL variable. For testing purpose, we limit the number of items to minimal. Remove the duplicate items, only keep one. CDM stands for component data amount. Type in the following code. Use Axios to fetch data. Because Axios returns a promise function, add await and async keywords to make functions async. Console log the result. Press F12 key to open Developer Tools. Select Console tab. Let's analyze the data. Add state variable to store data. Use setState to update data. Extract data from this .state. Use array map method to loop over, assign data to the purpose of component. Save it. Check in browser. There are errors in console log. Add key attributes to component purpose. Value has to be unique. Add the following code to extract data from component purpose, passing the variables using curly brackets. The page shows the HTML tags in browser. Fix it using dangerously set inner HTML. React special attributes. Let's show more records. Change the value of per page equals 5. Next video, we will update the thumbnail images and category names.